GSR for Hyundai by VAIS Technology. High-quality satellite radio, integrated right into your car's factory radio and steering wheel controls. To find your GSR, select all menus and choose the Music tab. From here you can browse your channels one at a time using the touchscreen, track buttons, or the scroll wheel. Or, to view all your channels, choose List, Artist, Tune Presets and Channels, and All Channels. To add your current channel as a preset, choose List, Tune Presets and Channels, and then Add Preset. Choose Save Current Channel, and your channel will be added to your bank of presets. It will also display the preset number, the channel number, and the name of the channel beneath the song information. To view your presets, select My Presets. Here you can store up to 36 channels. You can also navigate your presets one at a time by holding down the track button. You can remove a preset by selecting Delete Preset, and then choosing which channel you would like to remove. If you would like to replace a preset, simply find a channel you wish to replace your old preset with. Then select List, Tune Presets and Channels, and Replace Preset. Once your list of old presets appears, choose the channel you would like to replace. Then GSR will take you back to the play screen and display the preset number, the channel number, and the name of the channel beneath the song information as before. If you would like to delete all your presets, choose Delete All Presets. To browse by category, choose Browse by Category. You can choose System Information to view your SiriusXM radio ID or check your signal quality. Get your GSR today at vaistech.com.